Hey, what's up guys, I'm Deveen and today I got an unboxing of the Arc Hippo 1 for the iPhone 4S. This case was sent out to me by arcwatt.com. So go and check them out. Link is in the description below. Let's get started. So here is the front of the box side. On the back it shows you it has maximum protection, soft material as you can see, and freestanding. Here is the left side of the box, and let's open it. So they have some cushion to protect the case, and here is a case. It got a cutter for the speaker, for the mic, and that's all the cutouts. And on the back it says Arc with the hippo, and over here it also shows the hippo. Let's compare it to an iPhone 4S, or as you can see how big it is. So I hope you guys like the unboxing, and as always, have a nice day. Peace.